At Lightforce, our vision is to empower a lighter, brighter future for the whole of Aotearoa. Lighter in terms of the footprint we have on our environment, and brighter in terms of the impact we have in our communities. As the leaders of New Zealand's solar energy revolution, we're creating a lighter, brighter future by harnessing the cleanest, greenest, most cost-effective renewable we've got, the sun. By simply putting solar panels on the roofs of homes, businesses and farms up and down New Zealand, we can power our lives for the better using the sun's energy. Pretty neat, huh? The more of us that let the sun in, the more balance we restore in nature. And just as the land will come alive with the birds, the bees, and more vibrant shades of green, the coral reefs in the oceans will regenerate and fish will thrive. But our vision for a lighter, brighter future is also about you and me, and how we connect today to create a better tomorrow. So by working with iwi and education providers, our Lightforce Solar Training Academy creates opportunities for young people to get into the solar industry. By partnering with local like-minded businesses and our community workshops and events about food, nutrition and sustainability, educating tamariki and adults, so we can create healthier and better outcomes for ourselves, our families and for Aotearoa. And by gifting solar solutions to charities, we enable them to free up funds so they can focus on what they do best, making a real difference. With the oil industry predicted to collapse by 2030, a lighter, brighter, carbon-free future is closer than we think. But the decisions we make today will create the world our kids and grandkids will inherit tomorrow. So there's never been a better time to let the sun in.